Oh, g'day. Yeah, I've got this 250 kilo lever block here. It's I went to use it this morning, and the thing would lift, like it would turn to lift, no worries at all. But when I went to go down, it was just jammed, and I was thinking, oh, how can I get this thing unjammed, and why is it jammed, So it's just been sitting around for a while, haven't used it. It's only a small little thing, but there is a way of freeing it up without damaging it. So what I did was I got some say WD-40, sprayed it just in here, just sprayed it in on the cog, gave it a bit of a turn, but I didn't really want to wind it up too far in case it jammed up against there. So I thought, oh well, what can I do? I don't really want to pull it apart. There might be something in there that'll fly out, and that'll be it. Have to throw it away. So what I did was, I've got myself a copper hammer without using too much force. So I've just thought I would just sit it on the ground, put my foot on it, and just hit this handle downways in the direction where it's jammed, because it's just jammed, but it would wind the other way. So I put my foot on it. I only really gave it a light tap, and it freed it up, and it's working perfectly now. So if you had a bigger one, you may have to say put it in a vise, or even possibly hang it from something and put a bit of weight on it and just give it a tap. Obviously if you have to smash the shit out of it, it's going to be no good. So, but anyway, if you've got a little one that's jammed, this may work. So I'll give you a bit of a demo. Yeah, so I just put your foot on there. It's about that direction, and just went tap, freed. So now it'll wind both ways, up, flick it over, winds down, works great. So yeah, might help you out. Rightio, bye.